welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you want to keep on watching this content, just keep on watching, and just don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I am finally going to be revealing the shaker swabs that I received. This shaker swab was hosted by Tamara, and I received all these gorgeous shakers in all shapes and forms. So I'm gonna leave also the crafty ladies handles in the description box below. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. Hello my crafty friends. I know this is super overdue, but after technical difficulties the past weeks, finally I'm able to reveal the shaker swap hosted by the lovely Tamara from Urban Forager 1973. So these are the entries that I received. So let's take a look at these beauties. First one, this is from let's see here, Venetta Cox, and in Instagram she's Doras_girls9. So I'm gonna leave all the links to all these talented crafty ladies in the description box below. So let's take a look and appreciate the pretty, beautiful back topper. Love these leather bow, and here we go. How cute. So there we go, swap card, her information, and I believe she used that collection. What is that name of it? Is that the round trip collection? But it's just so beautiful. Look at these, how she presented and enclosed the shaker. So cute. I love all these details, and this is like a file folder thing. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. And I wanted to see, are these a Scrap Diva 29 dies? I love that. If so, let me know, girly. And this is her shaker. Look at how cute. Sunny Days. So it's a balloon shaker. So beautiful. Thank you. And let's take a look at the other one. And these are Halloween stuff that I was just working crafting on, so I'm gonna put that aside. So the next one is from Mommy and her 4 little ladies. Oh wow, I'm gonna go fast in this, and I love it. Oh, I love the neon circle. Beautiful. So this is like a rainbow and watermelon with fruits, very tropical. I love it. And this is her name. So here I am with another entry, and this is from Sandy, from Sandy Planner Shop, and I'm gonna leave her Instagram handle in the description box below. But look at this beauty. It's a tropical kind of surfing style buggy. Love it, love it, love it. And it came in here. So this is the packaging. So gorgeous and on point. Then the next one, we have another buggy, and isn't this cute? This is from Brandy Leslie. Her IG is Brandy Leslie 73, and it's just so gorgeous. And of course I have to open this up. So gorgeous. Look at this. Love the voyage. Then the next one, it's Honey Bee, and I believe this is from, I think, Tamara. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna double check the videos, Tamara's videos, just to make sure that I am, you know, located the correct name of the crafter. And I love it. Look at this honey. I don't know if this is from Tamara or Patricia, but I didn't see any name on here. And then this other one, came with some goodies, and this is from this is from Tamara. So, and look at these gorgeous packaging. I just love it. This must be a die or an SVG. And yeah, this is from Tamara. Sorry about that. And look at this bee, so gorgeous, be gorgeous. And then I believe these goodies, I definitely have to double check Tamara's videos, because in the middle of my crafting reorg, I got a lot of things switch here and there. So gorgeous. So yeah, so these are all the shakers entries that I received. So I'm gonna go ahead again and list all the Crafty Ladies handles in the description box below. So go ahead and follow them if you haven't not done so. And yeah, this was overdue, but finally I get the chance to film it and post it. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.